Parashurama says, "The reason we have come here have a purpose. To awaken the world, one must first awaken from within." Our clouds gathered with sudden urgency. Raindrops glided down his forehead. And there, as if by divine will, it formed the sacred tilak. As he reached the base, the mountain itself seemed to breathe for him. He felt it, the forest, the stones, the air, all whispering his name. Nothing about this climb was ordinary. Out of the dark came motion, swift, alive. In that sacred moment, he understood. The mountain didn't just await him. It had always been part of his fate. They guided him to a garden, a realm suspended between worlds. He stood before the one who watches over Kaliyuga, not from the heavens, but from the heart of the earth.